Mweri ũmwe thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kuheana taito cia matura matiganite ma kaunti ya Nairobi, aikari a itura ria Korogosho mari na maruru makiumana na kiria maroiga ni gukungio wara.
Ndi mundu wa gutumanirwo ni athuria cia gicagi njurago makoya mabanga andu ara matumitwo manjurage niguo moe nyumba yakwa. Riu ni ndituraga kou ni ndaumire ni kuhurwo.
The trader list ya beneficiaries PS Charles Hinga ashirehe gathethine tucione.
Aige aikari aya maroiga maikarite guku miaka mingi no riu kuringana na uria taito icio ciaheanirwo manyitithanitio mari andu eri mugunda-ini umwe.
Angekorwo ni nyumba yaku we wakite ureheirwo mundu ungi we mundu ucio ni eguthie kurehe indo iria arimite na kuu muturanire ndangerehe oguo ri ithuĩ tutikwenda guturanirwo tukwenda mundu athimerwo handu hake akire kana akirwo ni akombe mbeca kwa bengi akire.
Unakuta katika ile issue ya issuing of title numbers there are LR numbers ambazo ziliweza kutolewa na wale watu ambao wameweza kushikanishwa kwa ploti moja, ploti ambayo ni 10 by 10 square meter which is coming to around 33 by 33 feet. So tungetaka kuuliza serikali, tungetaka kuuliza wahusika, 10 by 10 square feet, square meters, itaweza kugawanishwa kwa family 5-6 namna gani?
Aya makirorongana nayo ministry ya migunda yuritie andu aria mekuheo taito ikereka-ini ria gatatu meyumirie na maratathi ma gwitikio niguo kurigiriria ihingica iria ciambite kwiyumiria itura-ini ria Korogosho.
The issues that you will have to involve the police. You see, if one parcel of land has several titles, you cannot resolve it without involving DCI or EACC. So we are not going to stop registering or documenting land in Nairobi because we have a few issues, and we have many issues. Take Embakasi for instance. This is a scheme that started in 1975.
Aikari a wadi 28 kaunti-ini ya Nairobi mekuheo taito 18,000 ikereka-ini ria gatatu mihango iria igukorwo igitabanio ni NMS hamwe na ministry ya migunda.
From 23rd December this year to 10th October this year, as will be announced in the local stations, published in the newspapers and updated on the NMS social media platform.
Matora maria mekuguneka na taito ici ni hamwe na Mathare North, Gei, Huruma, Dandora, Umoja, Kayole, Kariobangi North, Uhuru Estate na Kimathi Estate.
Service schemes we are talking about, the 18,000 titles we are talking about, there will be people complaining because of the issues that I talked about, succession issues. People have sold their parcels without properly documenting. You buy land from someone, you sell up to five people.
Mweri muthiru taito 30 nicio ciaheanirwo matura-ini ma Embakasi, Bagathi, Kariobangi South, Tasia na Korogosho.
Ndokire hau ndi muiritu ndiare na mwana na riu ni uranyona oguo hana.
President aheana taito icio erire aikari acio magakie no riu amwe ao maroiga ni hindi kiambiriria gia thina kimakorete. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jetagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.